the show is targeted to and attracts interior designers, architects, facility managers, lighting designers, landscape architects, builders, developers, real estate executives, and just pretty much anyone who's working in the design and building industry, including people who are also involved in sustainable buildings. So it's a very diverse group of people who are all interconnected through their common work in designing and creating spaces to live, work, and play.
The whole idea behind IIDEX is it's multidisciplinary, and we allow collaboration amongst professionals. So the idea is that an interior designer can connect with an architect, who can connect with a lighting designer or a builder, a developer, as well as with manufacturers. And so I think the more everyone connects and collaborates and works together, the more successful everyone can be.
We see ourselves as a platform for learning, networking, celebrating design, engaging the community and bringing them all together.
IIDEX is a trade show with a conference component, as opposed to a lot of other events might be conferences with a small trade show. It really is about the products. If professionals don't have great support from their suppliers, don't have access to great products, great materials, great technology, great services, then the projects that they produce will not be of the same caliber.
New products, new methods, new attitudes. You have to be aware of technologies, and if you don't, then your design will begin to show it.
We joined forces to co-locate the Green Building Festival at IIDEX this year, as well as we expanded Light Canada. The other area that we had really added on to was materials. We added expanded a whole section called Material World.
There are all kinds of new materials, new colors, new textures. We have to stay current with that in order to do our jobs.
There's a lot of introduction of new products at IIDEX. A lot of manufacturers, both Canadian and international manufacturers, will actually introduce new products here.
You know, technology is great, and with our Twitter campaign this year we had great coverage and great reach, but nothing replaces that face-to-face contact, and that's what a trade show is really all about.
Well, actually, I wasn't at the first show in 1984, but I was at the second show, and I was absolutely blown away. And other professionals will tell you when you used to come up the escalator at IIDEX, and it was one of the, and still is, thought to be one of the best looking shows in North America. And I think it's really, to this day, it's a different show. You know, technology's changed, companies are more sophisticated, there's more branding, but the products and the exhibits and the quality of everything is still there. It's still back to basics. It's about inspiration, it's about networking, it's about new products, it's about education, and that hasn't changed.